We'll guide you through how to add motion blur in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure your clip is already imported into the timeline. Once you've got your clip ready, navigate to the Color tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll find a series of tools on the right-hand side. Look for the Motion Effects panel, which might be collapsed by default, so you may need to click the little arrow to expand it. In the Motion Effects panel, you'll see options for motion blur. This is where you can adjust the settings to your liking. You'll find sliders for things like motion range and motion scale. Motion range controls the amount of frames used to calculate the motion blur, while motion scale adjusts the intensity of the effect. Start by increasing the motion scale to see how it affects your clip, and tweak the motion range if you need a smoother or more pronounced effect. As you adjust these sliders, keep an eye on the preview window to see the changes in real time. If you want a subtle effect, keep the motion scale low, but if you're going for something more dramatic, don't be afraid to push it higher. Once you're satisfied with the settings, remember to play through your clip to ensure everything looks just right. Motion blur can add a nice cinematic touch to fast-moving scenes, making them look more fluid and professional. And there you have it. Your clip now has a dynamic motion blur effect. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.